Hi, welcome to Sandy's Reiki Care. Hope all's well at your end. Friends, today I'm going to share something very interesting, and that is life's lessons that are simple yet highly important for holistic living. I'm sure they'll make you think, pause, and reflect. Before I begin, let me remind you to share and subscribe to Sandy's Reiki Care, and you can watch holistic lifestyle videos and lead a life of happiness and peace. So, the first lesson was health is wealth. You may be super productive, career oriented, and focused in your life, but none of your achievements would mean anything if your health is not okay. So, make body wellness your top priority. Second lesson is happiness can be created. Now, to be happy, but doesn't have to be achieving something in life. The fact that you're human makes you worthy of feeling joy on everyday basis. Let go of everything that holds you back from being happy. Third lesson was keep your goals private. Friends, I was terrible at this. Every time I set a new goal for myself, I would rush to share it with my friends and tell the plan, not realizing I was draining my own inspiration. I've noticed people who keep their goals private are more likely to reach their targets. The journey to success will then be simpler and more sacred. Fourth lesson is respect time. You don't need to run around every day to show that you respect time. Just stop indulging in activities that add no value to your life and other people's time. Stick to daily routine to stay balanced every hour of the day. Fifth lesson, actions are more important than plans. Now, to give you a simple example, you could run a thought like, I need to water the plants 100 times in your mind. It would mean nothing if you don't actually water the plants, isn't it? So, actions speak louder than plans. Make plans, but you add more energy into executing the said plans. Sixth was consistency is the key to success. So when you start a new project, your motivation will be at its highest. But bear in mind that for ultimate success, consistency is what wins the game. One needs to put in effort every single day. Seventh lesson was make kindness your choice. Choose kindness as a way to channel positivity within yourself. Nobody else will benefit more from you than you yourself. Eighth lesson, relations need love and attention. Make time for your loved ones and make it a point to show that they are loved and cherished. They are your support system and deserve all your warmth and attention, isn't it? Ninth lesson was take care of your mental health. So, friends, if your brain is not in content state of being, then nothing else will seem right in your life. So, practice self care every day. Meditate for calmness. Practice Reiki self healing if you know. So, these were some of the life lessons which I wanted to share with you all, as everyone needs to know and need to follow for leading a holistic life. I hope you enjoyed this video. Log on to my channel, that is Sandy's Reiki Care, for more such holistic videos. Do share and subscribe, friends. Thanks and bye for now.